So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy TQQQ call options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go to the Explore page or go to the search bar at the bottom left here. So press on the magnifying glass. Then at the top here where it says search, you can either search up ticker symbol TQQQ, pretty simple there, or what you can do is press on cancel. Right now we're on the stocks tab, press on where it says options. On the far right here, then press on where it says more under most active symbols. Then where it says TQQQ, press on that, and there you go. So now if you want to buy call options, make sure that at the top here it says TQQQ will rise. So press on where it says rise, make sure that call option is checked. For whatever reason, if it says put option, it's going to say that the price will fall. So if you want to change it to a call option, make sure you press on call option. You can go ahead and press on the date here at the far right. So press on the date that you wish to do when buying a call option. Now what you can do here is either do an out of the money price or an in the money price, so whatever price you select. Let's just say for demonstration purposes we select on $37 USD. I will press on this one right here, then at the bottom press on buy and lock it in. So there you go. That is how you guys can buy TQQQ call options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.